racing just is started. We have Sharon's Rose. Break quickly at the start. Moving up now on the outside is Key Victory. Gusto ko, happy ka. In the middle portion, Zibasi, Plenty of Grace, Youngsta Gangsta. While Baby Jade is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Key Victory, Zibasi moving up down on the inside to take the lead. 4 lengths further back in third comes Plenty of Grace. Gusto ko, happy ka. Moving up, Youngsta Gangsta, Baby Jade is down on the inside, while Sharon's Rose now racing in less. Back to the leader, we have Key Victory by our neck, down on the inside, Sivasib. Plenty of Grace now trying to get closer in third. Gusto ko, happy ka is racing in fourth, Baby Jade, Youngsta Gangsta, while Sharon's Rose is still racing in less. And at the far turn, Key Victory, Plenty of Grace are fighting out for the lead. Gusto ko, happy ka, now trying to get closer in third. Baby Jade comes next, and on the outside, Youngsta Gangsta, Siba, and Sharon's Rose still racing in less. And as they swing for home, we have Key Victory by about 2 lengths. And in second is Plenty of Grace. Moving up now is entry number 2, Gusto ko, happy ka. Last 75 meters, we have Plenty of Grace now takes command, and final it's Plenty of Grace. Key Victory, Gusto ko, happy ka, Baby Jade, and Sharon's Rose.
Nagdihado na tayo ko. Plenty of Grace naman ngayon. 6-7, 2-3-1. Unofficial na datingan natin dyan.